How to delete block number in WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete a blocked number in WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting block number on WhatsApp is not possible at all. So if I open up the WhatsApp application, let's say you happen to block someone, so you tap the three dots option, you go to settings, you go to privacy, you scroll down to the blocked contact section, and then you will be able to see a contact that you've blocked. Now unfortunately, if you want to remove them from your blocked contacts, the only way you can do so is to simply unblock them. So unless you choose to basically unblock them, you can't go ahead and then delete them from the block list. Now you might say me that you don't want to see this person's number at all in the block list page. Now that is simply not going to be possible, because what happens here is that whenever you block someone, there has to be a record of blocking. What in the case, let's say in the future you want to unblock them, but you don't have the number to unblock, you don't find them anywhere, then you can't unblock. So that's not how WhatsApp can work. WhatsApp needs to have a record according to the law. They can't just say $1 billion company cannot run on human emotions. That is the reason why there has to be a record of everything. If you want to remove them from block list, you have to unblock them, and there's no other way. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.